After you download all 3 years of your ChatGPT conversations, look for the file named conversations.json and upload it to Claude Cowork. And then you're going to give Claude Cowork a very simple command. Organize my chats. If you look on the right, you can see that the chat export organizer skill has been activated, and now it's going to go through all 3 years of your ChatGPT history and separate those conversations by year and by month, and also by project and by custom GPT. So if you were a ChatGPT power user and your account has real work, deep thoughts, frameworks, and items that you don't want to lose by simply transporting a small memory file to Claude, then this is the method that you want to use. Anthropic knows that a lot of people are switching over from ChatGPT to Claude because of the recent events with the Department of War. So if you want to switch to Claude without starting over, their method is a little bit different from mine. And it essentially comes down to copying this prompt, pasting it in ChatGPT, and this is what it says. Export all of my stored memories and any context you've learned about me from past conversations. Preserve my words verbatim where possible, especially for instructions and preferences. Categories, output in this order, instructions, identity, career, projects, preferences, and then format, if no data is known, output. Wrap the entire export in a single code block for easy copying. After the code block, state where this is the complete set, or if more remain. Now, the problem with this prompt, among other things, is that with ChatGPT projects, you're able to turn on project memory only. So that means that that particular project is going to be isolated from the rest of the account, so that this prompt will not pull any information from several of my most important projects, because I like to isolate those so I don't get a lot of noise from other conversations when ChatGPT is trying to reason across those several surfaces. Another problem with this prompt method is that it's going to limit the amount of data that I'm able to extract from my ChatGPT account to the context window of ChatGPT. And I can almost guarantee that any serious ChatGPT user who's moving over to Claude has far more valuable content and ideas that they want to bring over that can be contained in a single context window or a single code block. So while this is a valiant effort and an easy method for most people to bring over their preferences, this is not the best way to actually do it. This hits home even harder when you look at what they wrote on their website. You've spent months teaching another AI how you work. That content shouldn't disappear because you want to try something new. Claude can import what matters, so your first conversation feels like your 100th. And the truth is, that may be true for a lot of people, but for the majority of people who've been using ChatGPT, they've been doing so for 2+ years. They have hundreds, if not thousands, of conversations. This is the complete set of stored memories and learned context that is available to me in this chat context. No additional stored memories were returned by the personal context lookup. And if you look at the date, you can see that the furthest it went back was June 13th, 2025, and it ended on February 4th, 2026. So I'm going to copy that memory, and then I'm going to paste it right here in anti-gravity, select all, and we can see that this is 122 lines, 45,659 characters. I'll be honest with you, I have workflows that are longer than these memories. While it does capture some facts about what I was working on and some things I'm interested in, it does not come even close to bringing over what's most important to me from my ChatGPT account. Back over here in Cowork, we're done, and you can see that these are the key deliverables that you get when you run this Claude skill chat export organizer. You get a memoir, memory paste, migration guide, architecture map, Cowork automation recommendations, and an organized chat archive. That's basically all of your chats organized. The memory paste is going to be a much more comprehensive version of what Anthropic offers you, but what you really want is your memoir. Your memoir is a deep profile of how you think, your frameworks, and your evolution as an AI user. This is what you actually need to be able to bring into Claude. If I copy it and then I paste it, guess what? It fits perfectly. I click add to memory, and now Claude is updating its memory about me. This is a summary that's generated every night, and it does not include projects which have their own specific memory, which is very similar to the architecture of ChatGPT, which is how I know that the most important memories are not going to be imported to Claude using this method. And then we have a migration guide. And the migration guide is essentially going to walk you through how to utilize your ChatGPT files that you've exported, which have now been organized. And we're going to get to that in just a minute. But it's going to let you know, like, hey, you can paste your memory, you can create projects in priority order. And then it actually gives you instructions for how to set up each of these projects so you can get going on Claude as quickly as possible. Then it gives you some tips for how to use your archive conversations. And with the Cowork automation recommendations, what Claude has essentially done is looked at all 3 years of your conversations, look for things that you repeatedly do, look for workflows that you have, and it identifies items that you can quickly turn into Claude skills. Then if you look right here, you can see that there are 2 folders, one of them named Organized Chats and another one named Organized Claude. If we open up Organized Chats, this is nothing more than all of our ChatGPT conversations organized by month and year. So this conversation is from December 2022. So if I ever want to go down memory lane, all I have to do is open this chat and I can instantly start remembering the very first conversation I had with ChatGPT. Or if there's a conversation I was having with a certain custom GPT I created, I can easily find it here as well. Or maybe it wasn't a custom GPT, maybe it was a project. Here's a list of all the projects. And again, I can open these and find the conversations for those projects right here. So whatever creative idea I have for using my data, whether I want to upload it to Notebook LM or upload it to Gemini or any other platform, I have all of my chats right here and I can do with it whatever I want. But let's say that you want to follow the migration guide that Claude gave you, then you have the organized Claude folder. And inside of this folder, you have Claude tasks. These are items that Claude has recognized that you could probably set up a task for. You have the memory paste, you have the user memoir, you have a project index with a list of the projects and your conversation separated by project. So if I open the active boot sequence, we can see that there's a conversation in there with the date. If I open agent protocol builder, which should be agent builder protocol, then you can see that there are a couple of conversations in here with project instructions. And like I said, there's a recommendations folder with an architecture map, Cowork task, migration guide, and you even have a skills index with various items that you can create for Claude skills based on this information. So instead of just settling for this very brief summary Anthropic is going to give you from a very small sample size of your memories, I recommend that you export your own data and that you start setting up projects. Now, of course, some of these projects are going to overlap, but if you really want your Claude experience to feel like you're picking up where you left off, not with ChatGPT, but with your own ideas, creativity, and work that you were doing with a better and more productive AI system, then you definitely want to use this Claude skill that organizes your ChatGPT conversations for you. The link will be in the description.